Yogochorwa kwae Dr. William Ruto na omorai ogatano wense naboigo omokonyo ye Rigathi Gachagua nigo bono litkoria rero batia nigo bene ase egetigia Kasarani erinde gochaka emirimo yabo bene okwana ase chinsemecho nigo bali eira gochigoikerani ali bariete eira ase emiaka etano erebosio rinde kweneki obokoreri obuya orobatira senjera yoboikeranu
William Samoei Ruto.
In full realization of the high calling I assume as President
of Kenya
of the Republic of Kenya,
do swear
that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, preserve, protect and defend this Constitution of Kenya as by law established.
Rigathi Gachagua
Do swear that I will always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy President
of the Republic of Kenya,
that I will diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment.
Ase engwana yaye omorai wense Dr. Ruto